Hello everyone, I've been watching the movie Now You See Me for a long time, and I like the card shot made by Jack Wilder. Actually he shoots fire, but I think it works with cards too, so I want how to do this. Let's get started.
I know how to make a card shot, but only with one card. And if you add another card, it becomes more difficult. And if he adds 3 cards, it's almost impossible. And with 4 cards, this is no longer possible. I tried from below, but it didn't work out that way either. That's how it works a little. We grab the cards in this position. Then we make these movements. Then you can do it faster. I tried with 2 hands, but it didn't work well with the left hand. Over time, I got faster and faster. Once again I will show you closer how it is done. Do you know what I dislike most about this trick? That's it. And I need to collect them. When I threw the cards, they went bad. We need to use other cards. These cards are plastic and there will be nothing with them. Then I realized that this finger prevents me from doing this trick with my left hand. Maybe I should just cut off this finger. Okay, I'll continue like this. I did it. So you will do it.